One week AI is over, the next week it's replacing everyone. But the real story? It's quieter than that. AI isn't a tool you open anymore. It's inside the systems you already use. In your email, your documents, your workflows. Work isn't disappearing overnight, it's being reshaped, task by task. Some things get faster, some things get harder, and expectations keep rising. And when things go wrong, it's not always AI breaking things, it's AI exposing what was already broken. The real challenge isn't the technology, it's whether we're ready for it. Because AI is moving from answering to acting. And when it starts acting, the impact gets bigger, fast. This isn't hype, and it's not collapse. It's a shift in how work actually happens. The real AI story is how we learn to work with it.